Oh, like I'm so happy. I'm very happy. You know, say school don't start now. As only born one Anambra woman where I be. I don't get money for school fees. Like this now, all my cousins fan on me. Like fan on me, man, akuzele ha iye now, but I'm teacher na akuzele ha iye. So they are inside and
ego. Egbe. Ike. Unu. Ebe. Ọkụ. Hen. Ọzọ.